Young what's the meaning of all this? No, it's the car. Yeah. How many times have I warned you about your girl spreading her clothes here? Huh?
Was that the reason why you called me out for what I'm doing? Because of my girlfriend's clothes hanging on the hanging zone. For what?
I'm going to say that while.
I was thinking that he called me for something very important and serious.
I'm I don't want to shout too much. You can see that.
No! What is this? Shout! Can you imagine? I was busy in there doing something very, very important. And you called me out just because of my woman's on this or clothes, whatever. It's on the hanging zone. Because she's pretty. What I say? Pretty. She's so beautiful. She's so romantic in nature. Is that why you called me? Bro, how about I don't like this.
I'm Bruce. So, I forgot my other dinner. What's up? Bro, you know if you call you come put bro. Enya, but why by the way, are you talking to me like that? Huh? Young man, are you talking to me like that?
I was talking to myself.
You said what?
I was talking to myself.
Are you okay? In Awala? No, you want to fight me? No. Come here. I said come here. You want to fight me? Huh?
No. Just be in my shoes.
I should be in your shoes.
It's not easy to get a woman that's so beautiful about it. I don't think that her clothes. See, enough is enough.
So,
Mama, you have to come here and sort this thing out. What is the meaning of this now?
My son, see the kind of people that attended that wedding, eh? Hey! If you see the way they are throwing money up and down, hey! I never knew that your uncle had that kind of friend.
You don't mean it.
You should have followed me and seen things for yourself. Hey!
I mean, it's not as if I didn't know what to come with. But it's just that I have other things I'm thinking of my head. So
other things like what?
Other things that will fetch us money now. Don't you want your son to spray money just like the ones they sprayed in Uncle's burial?
I want it, oh! But you should be doing things with your mother now. For you to be learning.
What's up, I'm feeling? Wait.
Mazi Comos. From my calculation and my converting to my celebrant, converting into a metamorphose addendum, it made me to realize that you are owing me. If you move why you don't want to pay me.
Utobo. Point of correction, respect that name. Utobo, I'm going to get you to do well. Foundation. It can't go. This early afternoon, no piano and me. Stand joy. Oh, no more than I did able to me. In Apwara. So, you know you are owing me. If you move why you don't want to pay me. You have luck that my brother is not here. If Ogadi was here, why you? Hey, you could have done that. What will you do? Useless son. What do you mean I'm not going to move on? What do you mean? You are owing me. This is move on, and I want you to pay me that money. Even when my brother not here. If my brother is here, when I can know you. You know you go useless. Oh. Okay, because now you go because I'm owing you. That's more money. That's why you block me like this, insulting me. If only you know how useless your daughter is. Your daughter is a prostitute. I got her red-handed, jumping, mingling and tangling with a boy inside the bush. You slapped me. Like Emma because of it. Let me tell you, I have the evidence. You know your daughter has 2 children at home. So that if I bring that evidence and I'll prove it to the law court, telling them what your daughter did. Utobo. I will tell them and I will testify. That's going to report to the Igbo. Utobo. All of you. Hope you are coming to 900 and it's 900. Oh, brother, as no opinion. You don't have respect again. I just want to warn you.
Bring me my money. I need that money. Are you with me? Bring me my money, or else I will tell the whole community. Else what? I will tell the whole community that your daughter is a prostitute. That's I need my money. Utobo, me and my brother will soon come for war. Utobo, I'm Cosmos. Utobo, who is Cosmos? Utobo, get out. Don't worry, I will still come back for you. Nonsense. You are owing me. You know why you don't want to tell me. But don't worry. What I will do to you. Message. Oh, I wish my brother is here. What I will do to you will not like me. If Ogali was there, we collaborate, work together, and fight that debtor, that nonsense human being. Look at this human being. I know what to do. If I plan for him, I will plan something for him. So that when we catch him, I will do with him. Oh, where is Ogali? Ogali! If I insulted me. Did you move what? Okay. Oh, Ogali! Ogali!
Mama.
It's my son.
Mama, I am not happy at all. I am not happy.
Why?
Mama, since we came back from the city to this village, my brothers have suddenly changed towards me, Mama. They have suddenly changed. They do not even try to accept my relationship with Ugoma. I'm not even talking about Eche. The one that baffles me the most, Mama, is my younger brother Ambrose. My younger brother, the same boy I gave 2 years, Mama. The same boy I gave 2 years. He's now becoming so aggressive and insulting towards me. He no longer respects me, Mama. I don't know what wrong I have done to him. Or rather to my brothers. Mama, I know the reason why I left those city girls. Those city girls there, they are not to be trusted. The reason why I even came back to this village from the city was to see if I can find a wife from this village. I came down to this village and I found Ugoma. Still, my brothers have refused to.
My son, you've not done anything wrong to anybody. But I have heard what you said. I will talk to them. You know, sometimes life is like this. Do you know that the same thing happened to me when your father came to marry me? Yes.
Sure.
All his brothers and all his family members opposed his decision. But he stood by me and married me. But it breaks my heart that your father is no longer alive. I see you guys grow into mature men.
Oh, just wish Papa was alive. Mama, it's okay. Mama, see, I'll be your children. We will always stand by you. Okay? We will always protect you. It's okay, don't cry. Don't cry, Mama. It's okay. Okay. Put this smile on your face.
Hello. Wow, this is beautiful. My name is Temple. I'm the son of Professor Joseph. You know, I just got back from the city. I'm new here. So I want somebody to do taking me around the village. What do you say?
Okay, anytime.
See you later.
Okay, see you around.
Yeah, bye.
What do you have? Come on, Nuna. Nuna. Yeah, get many teacher Kuguna. Ma or tuna. If you know, if Kuguna, Pochuna, eh? ugwu na ka m were je manye nne m. Nna ya ụmụazị n'ụlọ. Nna ya kwu nwa m nwaanyị. Ọ dị ya nwụ mgbe chi ya akpọghị. Hey, Bieba, ị na-adị ka toothpick. Gaa ebe Bieba ọsọ. Ebe ka isi. Ajafuna, kwunu ebe a. Ebe ka isi. Where are you coming from? N'oge ka nna ajụ.
I went out.
You went out. You went out and you are still went out. Where are you coming from? That's my question.
Tell my God, when did that one start?
Iwe. No flap nika ga agbo wagon. Nke jụ ma ajụjụ mgbe nke a bidoro. Get off in poor in so here get and teach you eba. Come back here. Oh here can make the figure. Mwe kwa nke na mo ya la pot ndo sala ya to. Nlo bai. Ine neba mo nkisisi. Ijudo onye the guy. Anyo nke bo emusa nyeba ha na kwari ko bagwu eba ju neba. Nkiti ini figure we na ozo. Owu no n'ukwu, owu n'ukwu ne, owu n'ulo. No n'ukwu akwu. N'ukwu akwu ka dobere doge ka kpagra n'otu na anyu gị.
Mpozu go na, owo obala ị ka mbụ.
Ọbara onye. Ọbara agbukwe ebe a. Ya nka mmadụ ihe na-epigharị. Ya bụrụ. Ekiri ka to speak. Ndị ga na-enye gị n'ụlọ anyị na-eri. Enwe nke na-abaga. And you tell him kumugunu. Ọ bụ na igburu m ugwu na nwere tanye na bidoro nwa. Ọnọfe ebe. Na ebe na ya kumugunu. Kwanu m ugwu na ụlọ ya akụ. Mma ha kpọchi ụzọ akịta, mkpọchie ụlọ akịta, ọka ụlọ aka. And you, na-enweta ibe gị lee ka ọ na-akpa isi. Na-akpa isi na-anata ego nke gị nwee ike ifegharị. Bịa.
Kelly, what is it? Why are you running? Who is chasing you? You are tired of what?
Kelly! Kelly, I said, come here!
Ambrose.
Kelly, come here!
I'm not coming.
Are you reaching quarreling or what?
No.
Then what
Kelly,
are you
just come and let us finish what you just started.
I'm not coming.
What is he talking about? What are you people doing?
2 rounds, you're tired.
I'm
Kelly,
tired.
2 rounds, 2 good rounds, Kelly.
Oh,
Kelly, tired for what?
is this what people are doing?
No.
Eh? Now come, let's go inside. Ambrose.
Mom, stay out of this. Please.
So this is what you do, eh? Ambrose, do you want to kill this girl? Eh?
But she signed for it. Look at her. Just 2 rounds. 2 rounds.
Can you just listen to yourself? Eh? A young boy like you, do you want to kill this girl? Eh? You people are not supposed to be doing this. You are still young people. And you. Eh? Go inside. You are just a disappointment. Ambrose.
Mom, just stay out of this.
Just shut your mouth there. So this is what you do. Eh? You want to kill this girl?
Oh, she signed for this.
Shut your mouth.
I'm not a fool. She should just stop taking me as one. I'm not a fool.
Do you know the implication of all these things you people are doing? Eh?
I'm a full-grown man, Mom.
Don't talk when I'm talking. You are still a young boy, for God's sake. You want to destroy your life and your future, Ambrose. You know what? And you are proud of saying it. Just 2 rounds. 2 rounds. Give them 2 rounds. People are there, look at you. Ambrose, you better change. Change for your own good, Ambrose. Change for your life and your future, Ambrose. Nonsense.
Change. Look at change for who? For which life, Mom? For who now? For who? What am I changing for? What? Oh, look at this. Look at. 2 rounds, Kelly. 2 rounds. Why they run? Why they run? What the best they run? 2 rounds. This case has been Mom, no.
Exactly, I've been thinking the same thing. How could he not even be thinking about getting married at this age? I mean, he's not even getting any younger. But I can see that kind of thing is not even coming across his mind. But still at the same time, he should have at least get a wife in his life, or maybe even get someone that we could be looking up to be his future wife.
The reason why I'm saying this is because I want to do a ship bridesmaid for my brother. I'm telling you, seriously. Okay, can you imagine my friend? Eh? She's doing a shift bridesmaid for her elder brother. Eh? You see the way she was flaunting around, you know, doing shakara. Will our own be different?
Personally, I wonder why things keep going on this way. Like, I wonder why brother cannot hear from me. Like, I wonder why he cannot even try and get the woman. It's like, if you just take a look at the way everything is happening, I just don't know.
Hey, that reminds me. Take a good look at our house. The so-called elder brother, the billionaire. Eh? He's supposed to build house here or renovate this old one that we have. Or rather, he wants to build house in the city. Who is he impressing? Eh? Other people are building houses everywhere. Their elder brother. See our own house. Just take a look. Eh? I just don't know what is happening in this our family. Seriously.
Honestly, I'm ashamed of myself. Because I was equally thinking that brother, during this lockdown, he had a plan. But at the end of the day, I found out he has nothing to write home about. Like, he has no plan for this family.
Just advise him. I'm sick and tired of all this whole thing.
You know I've been advising him. And you know I cannot break his head to put the advice in there.
If you
And he's the senior brother as well. So, and you know how he used to behave. Especially when it's coming from us. So you just have to calm down, okay? Just free your mind.
My children, I called you people here this morning for us to discuss something very important. You all have grown. And I don't like the way you people are fighting in this house. People should learn how to respect each other's decisions. Eh? If you talk your own, this person will disagree. If this one talk, this person will disagree. I don't like it. In as much as three of you are grown men now, it will not be good if you start now to fight and disrespect each other. Please, my children, try to accommodate and respect each other's choices and decisions.
Mama, I've heard what you said. But you see, you talking about respect. I will accept that word respect when these my two brothers will now have to respect myself and my girlfriend in this village.
And they have heard too.
No. Not heard though.
Mama, have you seen it?
Mommy, look at who's talking.
Mama, have you seen it?
Mommy, look at him.
You are the youngest in this family. Why your own problem is bigger than others? Eh?
No, wait,
Mama,
I
I have
want
seen
you
it.
to talk.
Mama, I have seen it.
You keep quiet now. What's your own?
This is some boy I gave 2 years. I gave him 2 years.
Nnaemeka, sit down.
Mom.
Ambrose.
No, I won't.
Ambrose.
I'll be for go, you got mad. I'll be for go.
Ambrose.
Every time you're shutting me up, I
And then you beat me up. If you say baby, if you say a word.
I say shut up.
If you say a word.
Nnaemeka, sit down.
So,
Honestly speaking, if I know this is main reason that you called upstairs,
so we're supposed to be talking about Papa's land, Papa's property that this our wicked uncle had there wants to take over. And this, and you people are talking about.
hey, don't
Keep quiet there. See that property and those lands. Nobody should talk about it in this house. I don't want to lose any of you.
Mama, what are you saying now? No, Mama, no. What are you saying? What are you saying?
Please, I want all of you alive. People, they don't know Mundo.
Mom.
Let them take the land and the properties.
Mama, it will not happen. Mama, it will not happen.
Yes, it will not
It will not happen. Not when I am alive. No. The only land that Papa left to us in this house.
Wait.
That is what Uncle wants to take away from us. It will not happen, Mama.
Nnaemeka, wait.
No.
Not when you are alive, but wait.
It won't happen.
You can't be alive with that angel that you don't see. See, that
Ambrose.
that day, see, you can't be that day with you. You can't be alive with that village.
Ambrose, keep quiet now. What's your problem?
Look at my senior brother. Look at they're going my clique. They're going to no. See, you want to be alive.
Ambrose.
At your age.
Ambrose.
At your age.
Let me warn you. The only reason why you are alive is because I want you to be alive. Ambrose.
Ambrose!
Why are you talking that?
Have you seen
Mom.
what I'm saying? Have you seen what your brother is?
See, Mary, I'm worried. Like, I'm so worried about Auntie Foma. She's not yet returned ever since this lockdown. And she's supposed to be here at least. I don't know what's going on.
Probably maybe her boss did not allow her to come back.
No, that can't be the reason. How could the boss not possibly allow her to come back when you know that it's locked down? And I'm sure there's no office out there working. So why would the boss cease her from coming back? You're not taking it the way I'm seeing it. I'm actually beginning to get worried about her. I don't know.
Like I said earlier, maybe the boss did not allow her to come back. And why are you bothered? See, I'm not bothered at all. Do you get it? Because I'm sick and tired of everything that's happening with this.
Come on, Mary. Come on. You don't need to be this pissed. How could you say you're not worried about your brother, your sister? Okay, take a look at brother. He just left to his friend's house. Ever since then, he's not returned. And yet you say you're not bothered. These people are blood. They're the ones ahead of us. So you don't tell me you're not bothered. I'm seriously bothered. My head is full. Like, I don't even know if they're safe wherever they are. So how then do we determine that?
Why don't you become brother's handbag so wherever he goes, you carry you along? Since you so much care.
See, Mary, I just don't want you to, like, as in, I just don't want you to react or talk out of whatever they've been doing to us. I just want you to know that these are our brothers and we ought to be bothered about them. So, you don't just like this thing, this drama you're coming up with. Don't you have, as in, how did you suddenly lost your human conscience? How come?
See, next time, this is what you're going to talk about. Don't come around here. Do you hear me? I don't know if people that even care about you as well.
I don't wonder why I had to discuss this issue.
Better.
Down, 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 down.